Hi everyone, I'm Ben from SalesSPACE. In today's tech tip, we're going to be discussing sticky notes inside Zoho CRM. So you may be familiar with the traditional paper sticky notes that you often see on someone's desk in the office. Well, Zoho CRM actually has their own sticky notes feature built into the CRM. So all you need to do is log into the CRM. You can be on any section inside the CRM. If you scroll down to the bottom right, there's a little icon here. If we hover over it, it says sticky notes. So we just click on that icon and this pops up a sticky note here. So this is the first one. It's a welcome note. So it just explains how sticky notes work. But it's very simple. They're just like little pieces of paper really, but virtual. So we've got formatting options. We've got bold, underline, bullet lists here as well. We can put our note in here, and then over on the top right we've got a couple more options. So we've got background color, so we can change that to, there's two greens, a pink or a yellow. So let's just change this one to yellow, and we can also set a reminder on it here. So this will pop up just to let us know when this reminder is due. Then we have a minimize icon. So that just shrinks it down to this little headline, which we can drag around the screen. Then we can open it back up. When we're finished with the sticky note, we can also delete it. There's a little delete icon in the top right. So let's just minimize this one. And then over in the bottom right, we have this plus icon. So this is where we can create new sticky notes. Another one pops up. So let's just change the color of this one. Note here to call Colin. Set a reminder for 4:30. Save this. I'll just minimize that. Once I've got a lot on here, I might want to minimize them just to keep it nice and neat. And then as soon as I'm finished and I want to go back to the CRM, I just click on the sticky notes icon again, and you'll see the screen goes back to normal. And I'll come back and have another look. We just click on it again, and there they are. So that's just a little handy feature. It's relatively unknown. Not many people know about it. It's hidden down here in the bottom right, but it's a nice little feature. So I hope that's been useful for you. I'll see you next time.